Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we will take a calm walk in the park and use simple English for real life. Slow, clear, and relaxing. Let's begin by getting ready for the walk. I stand near the door and decide to go outside for a short walk. I don't rush. I listen to my body and notice how I feel. I want fresh air and a quiet moment. A walk feels like a good idea today. I choose comfortable clothes, nothing tight, nothing heavy, just something easy to move in. Then I choose my shoes. Comfortable shoes are important. I want to walk without thinking about my feet. I check the weather quickly. It looks calm, not too hot, not too cold. I feel comfortable with my choice. I put my phone in my pocket, but I don't plan to use it much. This walk is for me. I want to be present. I take my keys and open the door slowly. Before I leave, I pause for a second. I take a deep breath. I feel my shoulders relax. I remind myself that this walk is not about speed or distance. It is about slowing down. I don't need a goal. I don't need to hurry. I just want to walk and notice things. As I step outside, I feel the air on my face. It feels fresh and light. My body already feels better. I start walking at a comfortable pace, not fast, not slow, just right. With every step, I feel more relaxed. The walk has begun, and my mind feels open and calm. Useful phrases. I decide to go for a walk. I put on comfortable shoes. I check the weather. I take a deep breath. I feel ready to go outside. Chapter 2. Arriving at the park. As I walk toward the park, my pace stays easy and natural. I don't hurry. I let my steps find their own rhythm. The closer I get, the quieter everything feels. The noise of the street slowly fades, and my attention shifts. I notice trees ahead of me and a wide open space. I know I am almost there. When I enter the park, I slow down even more. I step onto the path and look around. The park feels open and calm. There is grass on both sides, tall trees, and long paths that invite walking. I take another breath and feel my body relax. Being here already feels different from being at home or on the street. I walk along the path and notice small details. The ground feels firm under my feet. The light moves gently through the leaves. I hear soft sounds around me. Nothing is loud. Nothing demands my attention. This makes me feel safe and present. I don't think about where I need to go next. I just walk. As I move deeper into the park, I see benches, flowers, and open spaces. Some people are walking quietly. Others are sitting and resting. Everyone seems calm. I feel like I belong here, even if I don't talk to anyone. Just being in the same space feels comforting. I choose a direction without thinking too much. Left or right does not matter. This walk is not about reaching a place. It is about the experience. I let my eyes move slowly and take everything in. The park feels like a pause in the day. A place where time moves more gently. After a few minutes, I notice that my thoughts slow down. My breathing feels deeper. My body feels lighter. Arriving at the park is not just about walking into a new place. It is about leaving tension behind and allowing calm to take its place. Useful phrases. 1. I walk into the park. 2. The park feels calm and open. 3. I slow down my pace. 4. I look around and notice details. 5. I feel more relaxed here. Chapter 3. Listening and Noticing Nature. As I continue walking through the park, I begin to pay more attention to the sounds around me. I don't force myself to listen. I simply allow the sounds to reach me. The first thing I notice is birds. I hear them singing in the trees above me. Some sounds are soft, others are a little louder. They come and go naturally. I don't try to name the birds, I just listen and enjoy the rhythm. I slow my steps even more. When I walk slowly, it is easier to notice small things. I hear the wind moving through the leaves. It creates a quiet, gentle sound. Sometimes the leaves move a lot. Sometimes they barely move at all. I notice how the sound changes. This helps me stay in the moment. I also notice my own footsteps. I hear the sound of my shoes on the path. Step by step, the sound is steady and calm. I don't rush ahead in my mind. I stay with each step. Walking becomes simple, just moving forward and breathing. As I walk, I feel the air on my skin. It feels cool and fresh. I take a deeper breath without thinking about it. My body knows what to do. The park feels like a place where my body can relax on its own. I don't need to control anything. I start noticing small details I usually miss. The way the light falls on the ground, the different shades of green around me, the movement of branches high above. I don't stop to analyze these things. I simply notice them and keep walking. This makes my thoughts quieter. Sometimes my mind tries to go back to plans or worries. When that happens, I gently bring my attention back to the sounds. I listen again to the birds. I listen to the wind. I listen to my steps. This brings me back to now. I don't judge myself for getting distracted. I calmly return to what I can hear. Listening like this feels peaceful. It does not require effort. It helps my nervous system slow down. The park becomes more than a place to walk. It becomes a place to reset. With every minute, I feel more grounded and calm. I am not rushing through the walk. I am fully inside it. Useful phrases. I hear birds singing. I listen to the sounds around me. I notice small details. The air feels fresh. This helps me feel calm. Chapter 4. Watching People and Dogs. As I continue my walk, my attention slowly moves from nature to the people around me. I don't stare, I simply observe in a calm and gentle way. Watching others in the park feels peaceful. Everyone is moving at their own pace. No one seems to be in a hurry. I see people walking alone. Some walk slowly, some walk faster. Some look thoughtful, others look relaxed. I don't know their stories, and I don't need to. Just seeing them reminds me that everyone carries their own world. This thought feels quiet and grounding. Then I notice dogs. Many people are walking their dogs. and some dogs are running freely in open areas. Dogs move with joy and curiosity. They stop, sniff the ground, look around, and run again. They don't worry about time. They don't think about the next task. They are fully present, and it shows. I stop for a moment and watch two dogs playing together. They run in circles. They chase each other. Their owners smile and talk softly. Watching this makes me smile too. I feel lighter. There is something calming about seeing simple happiness without effort. As I walk again, I notice small interactions, a person greeting another, someone stopping to pet a dog, a quiet laugh. These moments are small, but they create a warm feeling. The park feels like a shared space, even though everyone is doing their own thing. I don't feel the need to join or speak. Observing is enough. I walk slowly and let these scenes pass by. Watching people and dogs reminds me that life does not always need to be productive. Sometimes it just needs to be lived and noticed. While I observe, I stay aware of my breathing and my steps. I don't get lost in thoughts. I stay connected to the present moment. The park feels alive, but not loud, active, but not stressful. This balance helps my mind stay calm. By simply watching, I feel more connected to the world around me, not in a deep or dramatic way, just in a quiet, human way. I continue my walk with a softer heart and a calmer mind. Useful phrases. I watch people walking. I see dogs playing. It makes me smile. Everyone moves at their own pace. I feel calm and present. Chapter 5. Taking photos and slowing down. After walking for a while and watching the people and dogs around me, I feel the urge to slow down even more. I don't feel tired. I feel present. This is usually the moment when I take my phone out, not to scroll, but to capture something simple. I want to remember how this walk feels. I stop near a quiet spot. Maybe it is a tree, a path, or light falling on the grass. I don't look for the perfect photo. I don't try many angles. I simply notice what catches my eye. Something small, something calm. I lift my phone and take one photo, just one. That is enough. After taking the photo, I don't look at it for long. I put my phone away again. The photo is not the main thing. The moment is. Taking a photo helps me pause. It helps me slow my body and my thoughts. I stand still for a few seconds and breathe. I look around again, but now with softer attention. I notice colors more clearly, different shades of green, the light moving slowly, the shadows on the ground. Everything feels gentle. When I slow down like this, the park feels bigger and quieter at the same time. I continue walking, but even more slowly now. My steps are light. I don't check the time. I don't think about how long I have been here. I let the walk unfold naturally. Slowing down is not something I force. It happens on its own when I stop rushing. As I walk, I feel my mind becoming quiet. Thoughts come and go, but they don't stay long. I don't follow them. I bring my attention back to what I see and feel. The park supports this. It gives me permission to move slowly without explanation. This part of the walk feels like a deep rest, not sleep, but awareness without pressure. Taking photos is just a small part of it. The real gift is the pause, the feeling that I don't need to do anything else right now. I am already where I need to be. Useful phrases. 1. I take a photo. 2. I slow down and pause. 3. I notice the light and colors. 4. I put my phone away. 5. I enjoy the moment. Chapter 6. Feeling relaxed and going home. After spending some quiet time in the park, I begin to feel a gentle sense of completion. I don't suddenly decide to leave. The feeling comes slowly. My body feels lighter. My mind feels quieter. I notice that I am no longer searching for anything. I am simply walking and breathing. This tells me that the walk has done its work. I slow my pace even more and choose a path that leads toward the exit of the park. I don't feel sad about leaving. I feel calm and satisfied. I take one last look around. The trees, the paths, the open space. Everything feels familiar now, like the park has welcomed me and given me a short rest. As I walk toward the exit, I reflect gently on how I feel. My shoulders are relaxed. My breathing is deep and steady. The tension I carried earlier feels smaller, not completely gone, but softer. This is enough. I don't expect the walk to fix everything. I just notice that it helped. I pass by the same places I walked past earlier, but they feel different now. Quieter, less sharp. The sounds feel softer. Even the people around me seem calmer. Or maybe I am calmer, and that changes how I see everything. I don't analyze it. I just notice the difference. When I leave the park, I step back onto the street. The sounds are a bit louder now, but they don't disturb me. I carry the calm with me. The walk did not stay in the park. It moved into my body and my mind. This feels important. As I walk home, I keep my pace easy. I don't rush to get back. I let the feeling of relaxation stay as long as it wants. I remind myself that I can return to this feeling again. Another walk, another quiet moment. Nothing special is required. Before I reach my door, I take one last deep breath. I feel grateful for this simple time. The walk did not need planning. It did not need effort. It only needed attention. I feel grounded. I feel clear. I feel calm. Going home after a walk like this feels gentle. I am not escaping life. I am returning to it with a softer mind and a steadier body. This is what a simple walk can give. Not excitement, not answers, just space. And sometimes, space is exactly what we need. Useful phrases. I feel relaxed and calm. The walk helped me slow down. I carry this calm with me. I walk home at an easy pace. This simple walk was enough. Thank you for watching and walking with me today. I hope this calm story helped you relax and enjoy simple English in real life. If this format feels helpful, please subscribe to the channel and stay with me. Remember, English doesn't need to be fast or stressful. Sometimes slow and gentle practice is exactly what helps you move forward. Thanks! Please subscribe and like. Spin a new yarn with us every week. See you there!